In this video, I'll show you how to grow your Facebook page followers from 0 to over 100,000 using one simple but powerful and effective strategy. So if your dream is to grow your Facebook page followers by 100,000 or more in the coming days, then I'll show you the easiest way to do so in this video. Now, there are a million reasons why you want to grow your Facebook page followers, but the overall reason is that you want to have more people to see your post organically without you needing to run ad every time. This can make you sell more without always having to pay for promotions, sell your affiliate product or services easily, get your message across to large audiences for free, promote your brand without hassle, or just whatever reasons you have for being on the social media. So let's get right to it. So here is a fairly new Facebook page that I just created for the purpose of tutorial. Now, of course, after you must have created your Facebook page, the only way you can engage with the Facebook world and get people to follow you is by making sure that you post relevant content on your page, and you want to do that consistently. And the method that we will be using to grow our Facebook page and get massive Facebook follower in this video is through some of the posts that you already have on your Facebook page. And of course, if you don't have any posts already, you just can go ahead and create one. So the Facebook page following arc that we are going to be employing in this video is to go ahead and boost a couple of our Facebook page posts. But then you don't want to just boost your post anyhow. If your goal is to build your page followers, there are some important things that you must do, and you will see them as we go along in this video. So there are two things we are going to do here. First, you want to make sure that you have at least a few posts that you have already published on your Facebook page. And secondly, you want to select the best of them, the ones that you think are the most interesting and that you're sure that your audience will love and like to see. And then what we will do is to boost those Facebook posts. Now, you can use the method we are using to boost our Facebook page here to get followers to also boost any of your Facebook posts. So now, why are we using this method of boosting our posts to grow our page? Now, you need to know that some few years ago, when Facebook was still not this popular, Facebook will do anything to encourage people to stay on their platform. So when you make a post or you publish a post on your page, Facebook will naturally, they will do everything possible to help you blast those posts to a large audience of Facebook users because they want people to really stay on the platform. But things have changed, and now Facebook has effectively become the most popular social media platform on earth, and they are doing that by a big mile. So Facebook no longer help you to blast your post again. In fact, they now do the opposite. Now, it takes some extra effort for you to get your post to your audience. What most people do is to run ad on their Facebook post, but running a normal ad on your post can really be expensive. So I don't usually suggest that method to anyone trying to get Facebook followers. So that is the reason why we are going to be boosting our post here instead of running ads on it, which is better, it's cheaper, and it's going to get you to achieve your goal very fast. And then at the end of the day, it is the best way to get your post, your product, your service or brand to a large audience, for free. So to boost your Facebook post, sign into your Facebook account and come here at your profile icon. Then select the Facebook page that you want to grow and wait for it to load. So just if it's a new page without any post, or maybe you prefer to create a new post that you want to boost, then you can simply come here as usual and compose your new post. But I usually prefer to boost posts that have already been a little bit old on the platform. I love this method because the post would already have gathered a little statistics which will help me to know if it's a good post to boost or not. So for me to be able to access my old post on this page, I will come here and click the page icon. And as you can see, I am now in my post dashboard, and I can go ahead and select the post that I want to boost. But personally, I prefer accessing this particular dashboard from the MetaSuite dashboard. At MetaSuite, Facebook will give you more data and insight on your Facebook account's general performances. So I just prefer working from there. So I will just open a new tab here and go to business.facebook.com. Once this opens up, I will come in here and select the particular Facebook page that I want to work on. Almost the same thing I did a while ago in my Facebook account. Then I'll come in here and select content. So as you can see, I can again see the post that I already had on this Facebook page. So let's say that this is the Facebook post that I want to boost. I will just select the post here. and then I'll come in here and click boost post. So here, you want to set up the most relevant goal for your boost. Now, if you don't know what you do, you can actually leave your option at the default Facebook automatic. But if you do so, Facebook will make a decision for you on what they feel is the best option for you based on the activities that has happened on your page before now. But I don't want Facebook to decide for me, so I'll come in here and click change. As you can see, there are several options you can choose from, but our goal is to grow our followers, right? And the best option for that is the get more engagement option, so I'll just select it and then save. For this advantage creative, I'll just go ahead and turn it on so that Facebook can help enhance my results automatically. Honestly, here I won't switch to change to message, because if I do, I'll be getting a lot of messages. I really don't want that for this goal that we are trying to achieve here, so I'll just leave this untouched. Again, for button, I will select no button. Now, my boost does not fall into any of the special categories here, so I will just leave it untouched. I want to assume that yours too may not, but if it does, then you can toggle this on and then select the special category that your boost fall under, but I would not do anything here. This audience section is very important one. You want to make sure that the right kind of persons follow you and not just the random public, right? So I'll click create new. So here I'll give my audience a name. Here at gender, I will leave it at all, but if your business or brand is for a particular gender and you are so sure that you only want a particular gender to follow you, then you can also choose the gender. But the rule in Facebook is that you really don't want to be too strict with your options. I'll go ahead and do the same with age, always making sure that I leave room for allowance. Again, you can leave your location as global, or you can choose specific location if you're convinced that you want only people in a particular location to follow you. Once again, always remember the rule of giving room for allowance for Facebook to work with, because the stricter you are, the less they are able to really help you. Again, here at detail targeting, you might want to select only people who are interested in a particular subject or niche to follow you. For instance, my brand most time reach out to business owners and digital marketers. So if I'm boosting this post, I might prefer to have only a pool of this kind of people to follow me. In that case, I'll come in here and search and then select only people that are interested in those kind of topic to follow me. So I'll just make my selections. And once I'm cool with this audience selection, I will click save audience. I'll scroll down. So here is where you can actually schedule this post boost. You can set your start and end date. As you can see, I have a default 7-day setup here, meaning that this post will run for 7 days. I can increase the number of days if I like, and I can also reduce it. And here, Facebook by default is suggesting that with this 7 days boost, I should spend about $14. And as you can see, this is really a cheaper way than running a full ad for 7 days. But even at that, I don't have to spend up to the $14 that is marked here. So I can come here and reduce my ad spend to the lowest possible minimum. I can also add the amount I want to spend manually. So you can see here, this error shows that I have reduced my ad spend below the Facebook allowed minimum amount. So here it says that for the 7 days, I have to spend a minimum of $7. But then you should also know that the more you spend, the faster you will see results. So finally, here you can see that this post boost will run both on Facebook and Instagram. But let's say that you want the boost to run only on Facebook. You will just need to come here and untick the Instagram box. And same if you don't want this boost to run on Facebook, but you want it on Instagram. So you can deselect Facebook and leave it at Instagram. So once you have done all of this, go back again and take another look at your whole setup again. And once you're okay with them, then you can come in here and boost your post now. Or you can schedule the boost for a later time when you are not online by clicking here and then setting it up. I will not boost this post because I'm only using this for a demonstration. So go ahead allow the boost to run and watch your results after 7 days or 14 days of the number of days that you have set it at. But before I round up the video, you still have one more major work to do. Now, since our goal is to build followers and we have chosen the engagement as our goal for this campaign, in a few minutes from when you launched your boost, people will start liking and commenting on your post in their numbers. Originally, you should have found a way of adding the follow me call to action on your original post. But again, as people are liking and commenting on your post, you also want to make sure that you invite them to follow your page by coming here and asking them to follow you. Also, another thing that many creators do wrong is that they don't respond to comments. That's more like you wasting your money and your effort. Make sure that you respond to comments and also manually ask them to follow your page. If you have any giveaway, you can also use it as incentive to ask them to follow you. Now, if you click the link in the description below this video, I have added a link to a page where you can actually download free gift that you can use as incentive to get more people to follow your Facebook page. So, if after the period of your campaign you got a great result, then go ahead and repeat this campaign a multiple times more. You can also select or create another post and run this boost campaign on them until you have built up to 100,000 or more Facebook followers. So it's that simple, and I can assure you that this is a very effective way to get your page to have a lot of followers in a very short time. If you got any value from this video, then you can share with me what you got as a takeaway in the comment section, and please make sure you like this video if you've got value from it. And if you have any question for me, I will be glad to also answer you. And for more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert notification so you get to know when I release my next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.